It's Willy Wonka, y'all. This is my Hocus Pocus bath, and I don't know if the bath buoy is going to do it, but I'm going to try it anyway. So cute. His hat broke a little bit right there on the brim, but you could hardly notice. So let's go ahead and put this guy to work. I'm holding the buoy because it's heavier on this side than that side, obviously. If I let it go, it's probably going to go lopsided. But I still wanted to use this in the buoy tonight. It smells fruity, by the way, in case you were wondering. Look at all the shimmer. Just watching the shimmer drop in. Lots of shimmer on this one. Willy Wonka is known for chocolate, and this doesn't smell like chocolate, and I'm so glad for that because I don't like chocolate. I don't like the smell of chocolate. I don't like to taste chocolate. So I was very happy to know that this didn't smell like chocolate. It smells like candy. Trying to see if there was any embed action soon to come or not. Rainbow of colors. Maybe this is just an all-white one. I mean, there is, wait a minute, is that embed color coming in? I think it is. There is plenty of color on the outside, as you can see anyway, so I wouldn't have been mad at it. Yeah, I think that's an embed. It's tricky to get an embed up in that little head there. Look at that gold. I was trying to see if another embed would come out before I start swirling. But I think maybe some green is coming out. Yeah, I think that is a green embed. Based on the last bath bomb I had, that green embed was a very light pastel colored embed, and that's what this one looks like. I tried to let it go real quick on the buoy, and it quickly started getting taken over. I'm gonna let it go in the buoy, and what happens, happens. All right, there, I've let it go in the buoy. I guess it's gonna be taken over now. See if I can swirl a little. All right. I don't see that there's much in the way of more colors coming out. So we have like a pinkish purple and orange and a green. As far as embeds, and the green is very, very light. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if crushing it will make the colors come out quicker. Move out of the way. Look at that shimmer coming off though. Maybe I can take it for a spin. Oh, I can feel the hole where the embed used to be. The green one was, so that's why it got so light. It's right there. There's a hole. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dip them in and then try to crush. Oop, went straight under. I was going to dip them in slowly, but I let go by mistake. Look at the shimmer. Alright, so let's see if I can crush this guy. Well, that was an easy piece. And now the color show really begins. Once you crack it open, that's when the color releases much more vibrant. It's a decent crush, not too hard, although I did try to crack open the hat. That one was hard. I had a little piece of the hat and it was just like so hard. So it's somewhere in the bottom of the tub now because I let it go. Very foamy. Look at that. Foam. So I guess we shall strike through all of this thick foam and see what's underneath. Okay. So much as I usually hate it, I did have a little pink tinge in my water. I'm trying to get rid of some blush bubble bars that were given to me as a gift. But what this did was make the what this did was make the color come out even more vibrant. And it's got a very nice amount of shimmer in there. Look at that. I'm about to hop in and enjoy this because the bathroom was going for a while and my water got a little cold. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys on the next one.